Hello and welcome. Today we're working on how to calculate operating profit margin. Now, if we look at an income statement, we have operating profit, or sometimes we have EBIT, which stands for earnings before interest and taxes. Now, in this little income statement, we need operating profit or EBIT. And here it is right here. But sometimes you're given numbers, you're not given the income statement. And so you would take net income and then add the income tax and you get $4,200, add the interest expense and you get $5,000. So our operating profit margin formula is going to be EBIT, or operating profit, divided by our net sales. Now, we don't have to calculate operating profit or earnings before interest and taxes because we have the number here, but if we had to, we would take the $2,900 plus the $1,260 plus the $800 and we'd get the $5,000. Let's just use the $5,000. $5,000 is our EBIT, or operating profit. Our net sales are $40,000. So we simply take $5,000 divided by $40,000 and we end up with something like 12.5%. So our first profit is gross profit, and now we subtract out our general and administrative expenses, our G&A expenses, and we get an operating profit. So this is the profit percentage that we've made before we pay any interest or we pay any taxes. Hey, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.